Noong kaupo pa lamang bilang Pangulo ng Bansa, si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, may mga katagang salita na kanyang sinabi na sana ito rin ang naging pamantayan ng mga politiko ng bansa. Sabi ni FRRD, "I do not want my picture inside your offices because neither I am a god nor an icon. I am a servant of the nation. Instead, hang picture of your children and always look at them whenever you make a decision. And if temptation to steal ever arises, just take a good look to the family picture and ask yourself if they deserve to be a family of thief who was betrayed the nation." Isang mapagpalang umaga mga idols.